the wishes and the good words that I did not know nga perhaps sa inyo, nag-affect sa inyo. Nagpapasalamat man po in return sa inyong experience and your prayers and your support. Mula na ba na? That's one of course, siyempre, nang I think most of you know already, man, ang pagka-loyal ko sa SFC, especially this chapter. So, wala siyang saying at all, except the distance.
From a distance.
And, kapudlay, man gid magnakat man, really. So,
Nag-ma-feel ko na. Exciting.
Kapante gid ko, nga ari si na Kleina, na naman.
Siya na naman
Kami sila, everyone. Because,
may mag-gitahan.
because I believe also that one couple still go strong and tunga again because of the new blood also na nag-infuse sa chapter. Sige mo na. And the missing part is also heavy because I don't know good man kung ano. And basta ko pa salamat dito sa na deep in my heart. For accepting me also as one of you, for accepting my family as one of yours. And basta for the prayers and for all the support. Basta